guests, dear members. I would like to first congratulate you for an amazing General Assembly, an amazing Congress. The conduct of the members was amazing. The conduct of the electoral committee, how they handled the elections today was more than amazing. I know it has been now over 12 hours that we are here today, but I assure you it was one of the best congresses that I've ever attended. The discipline that I've witnessed, how again the chairman of the electoral committee and all the members of the electoral committee handled the process today was amazing. I'd like, of course, to thank the outgoing president for all the work. I'm sure he contributed during 4 years to achieve this moment and to reach a very well-organized Congress such as today. Of course, I would like to once again congratulate the new elected president, and I would like to reiterate what we said earlier this morning, that CAF is right next to you. We're next door. We would like to help develop South Sudanese football. Thank you very much, and we're happy to have you all here today. Thank you very much.